Ever been denied credit? You might have a poor Equifax score. Ever applied for a loan, a new credit card, or even an apartment only to be met with a frustrating rejection? It can be a real blow to the gut, leaving you wondering what went wrong. The culprit behind such denials often lies in a mysterious three-digit number, your credit score. There are actually three major credit bureaus in the United States: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Each one maintains a credit report on you, detailing your borrowing history, payment behavior, and overall creditworthiness. Lenders rely on these reports to assess your risk as a borrower, and your credit score, a simplified summary of that report, plays a crucial role in their decision. Today, we're diving deep into Equifax, one of the big three, and specifically, what constitutes a poor Equifax score. Understanding this can be a game changer for your financial future. But before we get there, a quick credit score: 101. Your credit score typically ranges from 300 to 850. The higher the score, the better your credit health appears to lenders. This translates to better interest rates, easier loan approvals, and even access to better insurance premiums. Conversely, a lower score raises red flags for lenders, making it harder and more expensive to borrow money. So, what exactly is a poor Equifax score? There's no single universal definition, but according to Equifax themselves, a score below 669 falls into the fair range. However, many lenders consider anything below 670 to be subprime, meaning you'll likely face higher interest rates and stricter borrowing terms. Here's a breakdown of the general credit score ranges. Excellent, 800 to 850. This is the golden zone. You're considered a highly reliable borrower and qualify for the best deals. Very good, 740 to 799. This is still great. You'll have access to excellent loan options and favorable interest rates. Good, 670 to 739. This is considered a solid credit score. You'll likely qualify for most loans, but interest rates might be slightly higher. Fair, 580 to 669. This is where things start to get challenging. You might still qualify for loans, but expect higher interest rates and potentially stricter terms. Poor, below 580. This is the danger zone. Borrowing becomes difficult and expensive. You might be denied credit altogether for certain products. Here's the catch: these are just general guidelines. Individual lenders have their own criteria for what constitutes a good or bad score. The type of loan you're applying for also plays a role. For example, a mortgage lender might have stricter requirements than someone issuing a credit card. What puts you in the poor Equifax score zone? There are several factors that can drag your Equifax score down. Late payments, missing credit card payments, or loan installments is a major hit. The more delinquent you are, the worse the impact. High credit utilization. This refers to the amount of credit you're using compared to your total limit. Maxing out your credit cards regularly is a red flag. Derogatory marks, bankruptcies, foreclosures, or even collections accounts on your report can significantly lower your score. Short credit history. If you haven't had credit for very long, you simply won't have enough data points for a high score. Okay, I have a bad Equifax score. Now what? Don't despair. The good news is that your credit score is not set in stone. Here are some steps you can take to improve your Equifax score. Make all future payments on time. This is crucial to rebuilding trust with lenders. Set up automatic payments if you need help staying on track. Pay down existing debt. Focus on paying off credit cards with the highest balances first. This will reduce your credit utilization ratio. Dispute any errors on your credit report. Review your Equifax report regularly for inaccuracies and file disputes if you find any. Consider credit builder loans. These specialized loans can help establish a positive payment history if you have limited credit experience. Remember, improving your credit score takes time and commitment. Be patient, stay disciplined, and you'll see your score climb steadily. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.